Hi guys, welcome to my second series which is on Cucumber. My name is Karanbir Singh. In this series we are going to cover how to use Cucumber, which is a tool to support behavior driven development. We would also be understanding the complete working of Cucumber, which is creating feature file using Gherkin keyword, creating step definitions and creating test runner. This series would also contain installations required to use Cucumber. We would be covering all these topics in the upcoming videos. Let's see what we are going to cover in this video. In this video, we are going to understand what is Cucumber, and we would also be understanding the architecture of Cucumber. So let's move on to the first topic, which is what is Cucumber. So guys, Cucumber is a software tool that supports behavior driven development, BDD. Now you would be wondering what is BDD. So guys, behavior driven development has emerged from test driven development, also known as TDD. In software emerging, BDD is an agile software development process that encourages collaborations among developers, QAs, and non-technical or business participants. So it encourages the team to use conversations and concrete examples to formalize a shared understanding on how the application should behave. To summarize, BDD helps in collaborating technical and non-technical people to understand how the application should behave. Most of the times, I have met people who are using Cucumber just because this is a hot topic. So I hope this helps us understand the main reason why we should use Cucumber or any BDD tool. So BDD, behavior driven development, is largely facilitated using a simple domain language, right? Using natural language constructors like English sentences that can express the behavior and the expected outcome. So in Cucumber, we are going to use English sentences to define the behavior of a software. Central to the Cucumber BDD approach is its ordinary language parser called Gherkin. Gherkin uses a set of special keywords to give structure and meaning to executable specifications. Keywords like given, when, then, and, but, feature, scenario, and scenario outline. Guys, if you are having hard time to understand this, no worries. This is what we are going to understand in the simplest form in this series. Now let's move on to the understanding of architecture of Cucumber. First component of Cucumber is a feature file, which is denoted by an extension of .feature. Like in this case, we have given an example of login.feature. So the extension is .feature. This feature file is made with the help of keywords like given, when, then, and, but, along with the English sentences. These keywords helps us build a scenario or scenario outline, and multiple scenarios helps us build a feature. Guys, let's see an example of this now. So this is an example where we have created a feature where a user should be able to log in. The first scenario is to log in into the application, and we have used keywords like scenario, given, when, then, scenario outline, and examples. So guys, at this point we are just understanding the architecture of Cucumber, and we will talk about this in a lot more details in the next video. Let's move on. Then we have the next step, which is a step file. This step file is a self-generated snippet code. This code is generated by Cucumber. Let's have a look at it, guys. So this is the snippet code which is generated in the terminal by the Cucumber in corresponding to the feature file we had written. And in step definition is the file now where we start writing our code using Protector or Selenium along with any programming language like Java or TypeScript. We also have some annotations here like we have given, when, then, and you can see that we have imported them from Cucumber. Don't worry guys if you're not understanding this, right? As said, we would be understanding this in a lot more detail in the upcoming videos. Guys, then we have the last part, which is a test runner. A test runner is a file which is used to execute the feature file. Let's see an example of a test runner as well. So guys, if I am creating or using Cucumber in let's say Eclipse, this is how it will look like. That is in Selenium and in Eclipse, this is how it will look like. If I'm using a test runner or Cucumber in Protactor, this is how it will look like in Protactor. Thank you so much, guys. This was a short, brief introduction to Cucumber.